Hey, welcome back to the Six Figure Mastermind. Today it's all about Facebook pages. So pull up another browser window. We're going to walk through step by step. Make sure you've got your pictures and everything ready to go. Your page is going to look awesome. All right, let's talk Facebook pages. We're going to be doing a lot with our Facebook pages. You can roll ads from your Facebook pages. You can drive traffic to your site. You can, do whatever you want with Facebook pages. But first, you got to know how to make them and what to do with them. So let's hop on Facebook. All you need to do is right next to this video, just open up a separate browser window. Open up your Facebook. We're going to start right from your home page. So do it now. Go open it up and pull it up right next to this video so we can walk through this together. It's pretty simple, but there's some key things that you're going to want to know so that your pictures are the right size, your Facebook looks great. You want to make sure that all of that is lined up perfectly. So let's pull it up. I hope you have it up by now. Let's start walking through this. All right, so I've got my Facebook page up and live right now. So, any notifications that pop up in front of me, this is live in front of you, so you're gonna see everything that I see. Okay, you can see this is just my home page. I've got, my buddy Chris up here. He runs the Limitless TV channel over here on YouTube. His wife, Colin, who's a best friend of mine. That's just what's going on my timeline right now. So to get to your pages, and you'll notice that when I do this that I've got several pages set up. We're going to set up a brand new one right here with you so that when you're setting up your Facebook page, you can just pause and go do that and make sure that you're right in line with us. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is click on Pages right here on your left column. It says Pages right there. You're just going to click on that, buddy, right there. Okay, these are some pages that have just come up based on my interests. Facebook is just putting an algorithm together for me. I love Truth Bomb Mom. She is amazing. Go check out her stuff. Love her. She's like totally cut from the same fabric. Okay, what we need to do though is create a page. So right at the top here, you're going to click Create Page. Awesome. Okay, Facebook wants to know more and more about you. So it's going to ask you, what do you want to do with your page? All right. Are you a local business or a place? Are you a company, organization, or an institution, a brand, or a product? Are you a public figure or an artist or a band? Are you entertainment? Are you a cause or community? Let's just assume for the sake of this video that we're going to go with a local business. All right. And this could be a brick and mortar business. It could be a digital business. So we're going to click local business right there. And it's going to ask you, where you want to be. Right now, our IP address says that we're in Lehigh. So we're just going to give a sample. And you can make sure you got your name down with your business. Okay, we're going to do sample page for ours. Now, please don't go search this page and like it. So I'm just going to shut it down right after this video. Okay, and we've got the page category, for example, coffee shop. We're going to do example. And you would say, if your page was a jewelry shop, you would say jewelry shop. If you were a mentor, you would say that. If you're a mentor, you might want to just click on public figure or artist right over here. Okay, local business, we'll just say. Okay, 123 Main Street, fake address. And let's just leave that where it is. Okay, 555, 555, 5555. There we go. Get started. By clicking Get Started, you agree to the Facebook page's terms. Now, Facebook page's terms include you can't change your Facebook page name more than once. At least it has in the past. They may have changed things by now. But so when you're naming your Facebook page, understand that that's permanent. All right? You can change it one time, but that's pretty much a permanent fixture. So, ensure that you've got it's got an invalid phone number. Let's see if I pushed too many fives in there. It doesn't like my phone number. So let's just do an 801 123 456 7. It does not like that phone number. Let's see if we've got enough digits in there. Okay, perfect. I had to put my real phone number in there for it to work. Facebook knows these things, but it's blurred, so sorry, not going to call me. All right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. We're adding a profile picture. This is the fun part. Now, adding a profile picture, it has different specifications. And when I say specifications, here's what I mean. It's got different pixel sizes and pixel widths. So, what we're going to do today, just for an example, is we're going to go pull one from the internet. When you're creating your own, make sure that it's in those dimensions, all right? And here's how to find those out. I've got over here, I just go to Google search, and there is going to be a Facebook page banner size 2017 or 2018 now. Recommended 2018 cover size. You can even go to images and you can find these templates right over here, okay? You'll find all these cheat sheets and things. Facebook cover photo template. This looks like a good one right here. This is going to give you your dimensions. Now, this is important. You've got a Facebook picture or a banner cover right here, but when your Facebook picture actually posts, you're going to have all of these things that are in front of it. Okay, now check this out. This is a Facebook cover photo template. This is not a business page photo template. So we want to be specific. If you do this and you size it to this, it may not be right because this is for a personal page. So when I want to specify, I'm going to go back up here in Facebook business page, banner size. Okay, that's going to give me some different criteria here. Okay, cool. This looks like a good one, and this looks even better. So I've got a Facebook business banner size of 828 by 315 pixels. When you're using your Facebook on the desktop, this is what it will look like. And when you're designing your cover photo, when you're designing your artwork, and you want to make sure that all of your graphics are right in line, you're going to have a call to action button that's going to be blocking out this part of your image here. And when you're designing, you're not going to want that to block anything. You've also got this 180 by 180 pixel cover over here that you need to have sized and graphically created to fit within that. So when you're sizing, or maybe you have a team that's doing that for you, make sure they have these templates so that they can understand which are the right sizes. And you can just do a Google search. Facebook is constantly changing their cover sizes and their banner photo sizes and their profile photo sizes and their layouts. And they do it without telling us. They have permission to do that. So just do a Google search anytime you need to, and then make any modifications if needed. Try it. You can always try it out on Facebook and see if there's any adjustments that need to be made. So let's just try out Facebook banner business page. We're just going to pull one off the internet for just an example. Cool. Okay. This one, let's just use this one for now. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and check this out. We're going to go to this cover photo right here. This looks like it's about the right size. We may have to crop it down, but that's, it's a cover photo and it'll work. Okay, so you're going to right click on the image. In your case, you're going to be creating your own, but I'm going to right click on this one and save image as banner sample. Cool. Take that over to my Facebook page. That was my ads from another video. We're going to take this over to my Facebook page right here, and I'm going to upload a profile picture. Now remember, this is a profile picture, so I'm going to go to my banner. Now the profile picture is a square picture. It's 180 by 180. So this one won't be a perfect fit because I downloaded a banner. Now we're going to add a cover photo. Again, I'm just going to use the same one just because I need a picture. Banner sample, there we go. That's what we need. Open that puppy up. Boom. All right. Cool, check it out. So it's automatically auto-cropped. We can change the cover. If we wanted to reposition it, we could do that. So I could click this and click this and drag it if I wanted to. That cover photo is in good shape. I could click this and drag it around. If I wanted to, profile picture. If you upload a profile picture, it's just a square, so it's going to center on whatever that is. So make sure that you're cropped to a square. Okay, cool. I've got the basics, right? I've got the basics for my Facebook page. Now, take a look at this. This one I downloaded off the internet says there's going to be a profile picture here. Look at that. It's not the case anymore. Facebook has changed since this picture was made. I don't have a profile picture here. That's not the way the pages look anymore. The profile picture is over on the left, so you don't need to worry about keeping that space clear. Add a button. This is your call to action button, whether it's going to lead them to another site, whether it's going to lead them to a YouTube link, whatever it is. It could be contact that's going to lead them to Messenger, learn more, shop, download, whatever you want yours to do. Maybe you want yours to lead to a Facebook group, okay? A visit group. I would say, cool. Whenever they do that, it's going to take them to a group. And this group, I would, just pick one of the groups that you admin and add that in there. Okay, which group would you like to send people to when they click this button? That's going to load here in just a minute with all the groups that I admin in, and you can click a group. Or you can go back and you can say contact you. This will send them a message, or you can send it to say sign up or contact us. You have to decide what you want it to do. Call now will give them your phone number. Learn more will take you to a video, or shop could take you to a website. Download your app. You can click whatever you want to do. Book with you, let's just say book now. Could be yours. That you maybe have a consultation. So there's many different options. You can have them instantly connect with your Google Calendar. Lots of different things you can do, okay? So you gotta have that pre-decided when you go in there, whatever call to action you wanna make. How do you want to connect with your clients? Decide that before you go ahead and click that button, make your Facebook page live. Okay, welcome to your new page. This will give you a very cool tour. Facebook loves when you use their features, so it's going to give you a tour of everything that you need. When you have your page, you want to make sure that everything is used that Facebook gives you to use. And that's true with all social media. If social media gives it to you, they want you to use it. So you're going to add your description. You're going to invite people to like your page. You're going to make a post on your page. I would recommend when you're creating your Facebook page to create at least half a dozen pieces of content spaced out over 6 hours apart, so that when you have people coming to your page, that there's actually something for them to look at. Right now, the only thing on this page is our history, which is the pictures that we added, which are not very exciting. So add some content, throw some memes up in there, throw some value in there, make a sale if you want. Fill your page up with something useful. All right, so that's basically the gist of creating a Facebook page. It's very, very simple. You just want to make those cover photos and profile photos on point, very clear, know your picture sizes, test your layout, give it a test shot before you're going and inviting friends and people to like your page. Test drive it. Make sure it looks spot on. Okay, in your description, make sure that it's describing your page accurately, who you are. Don't be bland. Don't be vanilla. Don't be like, this is our page where we do business. You want to share your story, share about you, share what you're interested in and what your business is all about. Maybe you're a philanthropy. You want to share why that's important to you. People are not really interested in businesses. They're interested in personalities. Think about it. When you go to Facebook, are you going to look for businesses that you can buy things from? Probably not. You're going to connect with people. So be a person. Even though it's on a Facebook page, share your story. Get to know people, and make sure that, again, that bonus, use all those features. If Facebook gives it to you as a feature or an option, use it. Facebook will love you for it. Okay, it's super simple, super easy. You can create as many pages as you want to. You've got the step-by-step guide now. In fact, go ahead and share below what your favorite part was and what makes you so successful on your Facebook page.